Ladies and gentlemen, here we go again with another beautiful 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. And yes, folks, as you can see, this vehicle is still black and white. Former California Highway Patrol with 129,000 miles and only 956 idle hours. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, 129,000 miles. They're all highway miles, guys. All right, sorry for the helicopter there. Okay, California Highway Patrol. Folks, as you can see, this vehicle is still black and white, and I am gonna sell it. I'm gonna try to sell it as is, where is the way it sits, meaning that I'm not gonna paint it. That's what that means. You're gonna take the car as is here on the pictures and on the video. Vehicle has been completely serviced, doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and it is turnkey, ready to go anywhere across the states or out of the country. Vehicle does not have tinted windows. Once again, I'm gonna just selling it the way it is. The paint does look nice and sharp, even though it's original black and white from factory. Let me backtrack here, guys. The front doors were the only thing that were painted flat black by the department up north in Sacramento. They didn't want the doors white, so they painted those doors black in their fleet department, and they did leave the white roof on top non-painted. E85 okay, flex fuel unit. Folks, before I proceed, I must tell you that you have holes in the roof from previous police antennas and police equipment. Please take a look. This is an open book, so everything I see you will see, and I'm not gonna hold anything back from anybody. A lot of guys always ask me, hey Mario, when are you gonna list something affordable? Well guys, here's the chance for you to take a great vehicle in great running conditions, and all you have to do is just take it to your paint shop and get it painted all black, and you're gonna have yourself a literally brand new car. Let's backtrack here, guys. Vehicle has been registered as of yesterday. Plates registration up to date for a full year. Title will be to my name. I should be getting that at home in about maybe a week or two, just so you guys know. Once again, even though the vehicle is black and white, I didn't cut any corners. I still went through the vehicle and gave her what she needed, not what she wanted, but I did put in the money that she needed to get her up and running the way I wanted her to be. Folks, as you can see, there are no spotlights. Those were removed by the California Highway Patrol. The holes are there. Everything is there, ready for you to install the spotlights. I do have clear lights and lenses on the front. The headlights appear to be in semi-new conditions. Those are Ford. They are original equipment. And for those of you guys that are familiar with the California Highway Patrol, they do have a pretty strict maintenance and fleet policy, meaning that everything that they do has to be original equipment. Everything that goes into the car has to be original equipment. All right, let's go inside. Let's just take a look here for you guys. They did silicone the hole, so there is no air or water going through there. However, if you want to put the spotlights in, let me open the door. If some of you guys want to go ahead and put the spotlights in there, let me clean this up. The silicone is very easy to remove. Everything else is there, wiring is there, so all you have to do is just install, plug and play. That is it. Folks, before I forget, all 4 steel wheels on the vehicle were repainted black except for the front driver's side. That was a brand new wheel, so I did not paint that one, and I did leave that one alone. So I'm gonna rephrase I'm gonna say all 3 steel wheels were repainted, so they do look new, and they do match the front driver's side. That's a new wheel that came from CHP, guys. I didn't put that in there. Oh, let me start over here. Folks, as you can see, there is going to be decal residue here. It was removed, but this is just the glue that was there from the sticker. Safety, service, and security. CHP, once again, California Highway Patrol, guys. So vehicle does have some minor scratches, nothing big to worry about. Let me come to the back of the trunk where it used to say Highway Patrol. There's gonna be minimal scratches there from when they removed the decals. Okay, there are scratches here, so I'm letting you know what's on the vehicle, that way you know. However, if you do buy the car, chances are you're gonna get it painted. All those little scratches are gonna be covered. Rear doors are fully functional, inside and out of the vehicle, so door locks and rods are there. Matching interior, seatbelts and buckles are there. Carpet flooring, 4 matching floor mats. Original equipment floor mats are there. Electric seating, and for those of you guys that want to know what rear axle we have in this vehicle, that's gonna be the C5 Charlie 5, designed for highway driving. So it's really good on gas. Driver's side seat, it's got a little bit of wear over there, no tears, nice and comfortable though. So is the passenger side seat. That one looks new. I don't think nobody was ever sitting there. And let me tell you guys, whoever owned this vehicle, they took great care of it. It's got an original factory tape deck, AM/FM. Folks, that's a used one that I had in my inventory. However, the volume knob is a little bit defective, so I kind of have it set to where I'm okay with the volume. Otherwise, you're probably gonna have to replace it, but it will give you some sounds, some tunes for you to drive home, and you can deal with it, I guess, and replace it when you get home. Working cruise control, honk works, electric retractable pedals. Let me go ahead and fire her up. And folks, did you guys hear that? Let me put muted. Did you guys hear that? Super lean. It's super quiet. Folks, this car is in great and immaculate running conditions. Let me tell you, we're gonna go through the PM services in a minute, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Let me see if I can clean this up a little bit here for you guys. Okay, it's got 129,000 miles. Again, they're all highway miles. I am responsible for 304 miles driven so far. 956 idle hours. There you go. This is the money shot right here. You love me even when I don't deserve. Stereo works. Map plates work. All right, let's go to. I'm trying to think see if I'm missing anything here. Folks, I did have the interior of the vehicle detail only because it was pretty messy. The exterior, I left it alone, just so you know, okay? I didn't want to touch exterior because chances are whoever buys it, they're gonna end up painting it. Okay, here we go. The vehicle came with a trunk pack Kevlar here, so that's gonna go with the vehicle. A brand new full spare wheel that came with the vehicle, so guess what? It's gonna go with the car. Hold down pen inside, floor jack to the right, guys. And yes, you do have a small cutout here. That's where the floor jack was. For some reason or another, they decided to cut all that piece out just to mount the floor jack there. Guys, the car is gonna go like that. I'm not sure if I can find another liner cover for the trunk, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Okay, just so you know. The vehicle does look nice the way it sits, black and white. And I know some guys that drive their cars like that. There's nothing illegal about it, to be honest. There's nothing in the book that states you cannot drive a car like this. It doesn't have any decals stating it's a police car, so you're fine, and it's being registered Ford original. The clock is ticking, guys, so I gotta hurry up here. This engine does not look shiny. Again, I didn't want to do that because if you have the car painted, it's gonna get pretty dusty in here, and we don't want that. So I keep it plain and simple. The vehicle is in immaculate running conditions, great shape, super quiet, super strong, and she is a gas saver. By far, one of the best that I had here. I don't know, maybe because I do love California Highway Patrol units, and I haven't bought a CHP Crown Victoria in a good while, but this one, because of the miles, I went ahead and got it. Alright guys, starting right to left, I do have a correction. The air filter was fine, it was checked, verified, I didn't touch it, I put it back in there. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. From that department, guys, the vehicle did have come to me with new spark plugs already, Motorcraft from factory, so I did verify and left those alone. Transmission was serviced, fluid and filter. It's got super cold air conditioner. Engine oil was serviced. I'm using 520 synthetic blend on this one. Battery appears to be new from factory, back from May 2017. And also, guys, I did notice the radiator condenser appeared to be in new conditions. There is no dust bunnies in here whatsoever. Let me see if I can clean this up. Chances are it was done already. Brakes are 90% all around from the department. New Motorcraft belt and a new belt tensioner from that department, guys. I didn't replace that. This came with that department. New tires from that department. Everything works just as good and as expected. Guys, the clock is ticking here. I gotta go.